this video, we will cover the developer plugin and also the admin panel bookmarks. The first one will help us to access to different functionalities in a very handy way. First of all, we need to be logged in with our admin account, and then we should go to the admin panel and to the themes manager. Here we can enable or disable the dev toolbar. We click on enable, and after we do it, we refresh our front-end page. And here we can see the plugin. If you do these steps, but you're not getting the plugin, it could be because you should have an old version of a skeleton. To fix this, you should update the global master.html and also the common.js libs, these two files, getting the content from the skeleton version in order to get the most updated version of them. Now, let's have a look to the developer plugin content. If we click on it, we can see that on the top there are three buttons, all, less, and JS. These buttons will get the uncompiled versions of the less, JS, or both types of files. If we open the Chrome DevTools, we select the network, all, and if we click on the less option, we will get all the less files loaded instead of one single CSS minified file. If we check, there we have all the less files that we are loading. Instead, if we click on the JS button of our developer plugin, and if we check the network, we will see that instead of getting one single script underscore file with a minified and concatenated version of all these scripts, here we are getting every single script loaded. Finally, the all option will get both uncompiled files, the less and the JS ones, plus an extra information that we will also check in a further tutorial video. These functions will be a great help when we are working with less or JS files and we do not wish to compile and wait for getting the compiled files every single time we are working on these files. If we go back to the developer plugin, we can see the useful links section. These three options will lead us into a staging mode, the clear cache, and the translations panel. Let's start with the first one, the staging mode. There is a specific tutorial video that will go deeper into the debugging task, but at least you can have a quick idea of what is the purpose of this link: to redirect you into a staging page, in this case the CG stage 1. We click on it, and there we have it. We are redirected into a new page which has the same domain we have right now, but in this case we will have added in the URL the cgstage.com suffix. The clear cache option will clear the CMS cache of the current page. Our cache system will be updated automatically after 30 minutes, but if you wish to manually update this process, you just need to select this option and the CMS cache will be cleared. And finally, the translations option will lead the user into the translation panel. You can also refer to the specific tutorial video in order to learn how to use this functionality. Let's close these tabs. And finally, the bookmarks section. In this section, we will get a list with the bookmarks we have saved in the admin panel. Let's check where and how to use this bookmark function. If we go to the admin panel and we browse into any of its pages, whatever it's the same, we will see that we can bookmark any of these pages. Clicking on this bookmark option and then bookmark this page. Let's do another example. We can go to whatever section, it's the same. And when we are here, we can click again in bookmark this page, and here we have it. And these are the same bookmarks that we can find in this section. Now, if we refresh, we will get the 2 bookmarks that we just added. We click on it and we go directly to the same page we have saved.